computer laying around without an operating system and you want to use it again, or maybe donate it for Christmas, don't worry, I can help you. The operating system that I recommend you to install is Linux-based Zorin Linux. So features, all the application that you need, and it is for free. Almost the same like a Windows. It's really easy to learn. You can't do basic tasks like browsing the internet, watching movies like Netflix, HBO, writing documents, writing emails, a lot of stuff. How do you install Zorin? First of all, you need USB thumb drive, 60 GB is perfect. You have to download the image from a Zorin website and you create a bootable USB with the image of Zorin. If you have Windows, you can use Rufus to create the thumb drive. Apple user, you have to use Balena Edge software to write the Zorin image on the thumb drive. So we have the thumb drive with an image of Zorin. Now we have to boot the computer from the thumb drive. Depending on the computer that you have, you will use different button combinations. Here we go. Select the USB drive that you want to boot. Try or install Zorin. Here we go. Here is our welcome screen. We can choose our language that we want to install the operating system. We can try it without affecting our hard drive or install it on our hard drive. I choose install Zorin OS. If we have another operating system already on our hard drive, we can install beside that operating system, or we can erase everything. I will choose to erase everything. Choose a username and a computer name for the computer and enter your password. And now we are waiting to install. Here we go. We have a beautiful login screen. Really nice desktop. Welcome to Zorin. Let's take a look. You can take a tour to see how the operating system is working. We can choose our desktop look, so we can connect our Gmail and other email accounts, Microsoft. We can link our phone, that's really nice. We can install a software on our phone and we can link our Zorin computer, and when we are in the same internet or wireless connection, we can send files directly to the computer. We have a library with a lot of software. We can install it simply like from Apple Store and Microsoft Store. It's really easy, you don't need any Linux skills for this. Full clean with nice colors. A little bit of games. Graphics if you need. Browser, Firefox. Just our desktop a little bit. Back. You can choose beautiful free background. I like this one. Let's browse the internet a little bit to see how it's working.
This is the all Zorin OS 16.3. The newest iteration of the feature-packed fan favorite Linux install is out and back. Our audience will be very interested in.
Here you have it. A free operating system, really easy to use, easy to install, with applications that you need for daily use, browsing the internet, Netflix, Facebook and everything. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you and goodbye.